Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to restrict bank transfer for low value orders. For example, if someone orders below 500 something, then we can hide bank transfer or bank deposit for them. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. For this, I'm using the Nex Checkout Rules app from Shopify App Store. Also, I attached the app link in the description and added in first comment. So once you install the app, you can open the app. You can click on create a payment rule. You can give a title, hide bank deposit for low order value, right? Then you can add the condition. The condition is total amount, right? And if it's less than or equal to, I'm just giving 500, right? And you can add the action. Our action is hide a payment method. So we can hide the bank deposit. So you just type bank. We'll take that contains. You can see payment method contains. You don't need to give the full name. Anything related to that, it will works. Then you can make it active and you can save it. So now we successfully created the rule. Now we can test how it's going. So first we test something below 500 and click on buy now. You can see bank deposit is not available. And if I make it above 500, right now it's 750, you can see bank deposit is available. So this is how you can easily hide bank deposit for low order values. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel. I also attached the app link in the description. You can check it out. Happy selling.